Listen, if you are somebody that struggles with bleaching their knots, can never get the consistency right, and always end up over bleaching your wig, and you are somebody that cannot plug your wig or don't know how to start, this is the right beginner friendly video for you. So if you want to learn how to get your wig looking from this hot mess to this gorgeous blended flawless install, please continue watching, and I'll be sharing my tips and tricks with you. Today's video was kindly sponsored by Celie Hair, and in their packaging they included a bonnet, wig cap, a headband, some cute eyelashes, an edge brush, some hair clips, and a comb. Now this is their packaging. How cute, you guys. I was super obsessed with it. And when you open up the packaging, inside it includes all the hair information. The hair that I got is 14 inches curly bob wig. It's a 13x4 transparent lace, and inside it has their information card, so all the details that you might need is included in there. Okay, first things first that we're going to be doing is bleaching our knots. I'm using the 40 volume developer and a non-branded bleach that I got from a hair supply store in Boulders, Midrand. It is called Sweet Penny, so go check it out if you're in need of some bleaching products. Now, for the consistency that we are looking for a toothpaste consistency, and you turn your bleach upside down and it drops down into the bowl. Just know that you don't have the right consistency yet, and it will bleach through your knots and leave your wig a hot mess. Okay, that is not what we want. So if your bleach is runny, if your mixture rather is runny, please do put back some more bleach. The consistency that we are looking for, right? If you turn it upside down and it does not fall back into the container bowl that you're using, it does not drop down, then you know that you have the right consistency, and now you can start applying it on your lace. To apply it on the lace, just think of it as you're applying butter on bread, I always say. So be gentle as to not break your bread, and I am using a butter knife that we no longer use at home, so don't come for me, don't try to clock me for anything. Okay, yeah, basically, and I'm just gently applying it on. And that is how the bleach is looking after 30 minutes. I actually failed you guys on this day because I did not film myself washing the bleach off, but basically I just smothered pebble shampoo onto my lace and I left it on for 5 minutes and then went and rinsed it out and let the hair air dry. Now getting to plucking, the last step into customizing your units. First things first that I like to do whenever I plug a frontal is I will hot comb all my hair back just so I can get an idea of what I am working with, what I am dealing with. And from there, if you can see guys, I've already gone ahead. You can see that in the middle, my lace is kind of cut there. So what I did is I was trying to get my middle part. So I will fold my closure in half and then I will mark the middle part by cutting it out. So I know when I'm styling where exactly my middle part is. Now, first step that I like to do is I would go in and define my middle part. I still even haven't explained why I have that white cloth on my dome cap. I am such a bad at this. Okay, I'll get to that. So basically, I am making sure that my parting is more defined. Any hair that is on the way, I would pluck it out. Now you cannot really see it here because the knots were really small, which is the other thing that I absolutely love about this wig. Okay, all right, I hope that I am not like talking gibberishing and you guys understand what I am trying to tell you. Basically, the reason why I have a white cloth underneath my dome cap is that I'm trying to see exactly where I plugged. As to not over plugged, it helps to see exactly what's left on the wig basically. So when I'm using Sobe tweezers, I am so sorry guys, like I'm really so sorry. I filmed this video like a couple of days ago, so now I'm just like trying to piece everything together, but I'm really sorry if I'm not making any sense. But okay, now that I have my part defined, I will then go and work on my sides. I work on each side, each at one time. Yo, so cool, Alisona. Oh my god. Why am I such a hot mess? So basically, the hair that you see me putting out of the way was the hair that already came pre-plugged. So there was no need for me to plug there because I would basically just bald my wig. So how I'm plucking the wig is I'm just not staying in one place. That's the easiest way I can try to explain to you. Do not stay in one place. Just plug, move around like that. The other thing is we know that our hairline is more dense in the middle and towards the sides, that's when it is fewer. That is the method that I'm applying right here. You will see that towards my middle, I don't overly plug like I do on the sides. So once I am done with plucking the first part, I will go in again and then part the hair again as I see fit, and then keep plucking until I'm happy with how my hairline is looking. Okay, I really am trying to explain guys, but if I'm not making any sense, please let me know in the comment section if I am not making any sense so I can do better next time, because ultimately I'm trying to get y'all on. Okay, yeah, but I hope that the visuals are also just making up for the mess that I've been gibbering about. Okay, yeah, basically that's what I'm doing. I just part and plug until I am happy with my entire hairline. Once I am happy with everything, I just use my wet stick to mold the hair to the direction that I want it to go and style as I desire, basically. Yeah. Once I am happy with how my hairline is looking, I'm gonna go ahead and set my hairline using my mousse and a Tresemme spray to hold it in place, and then I'll go ahead and wrap it up and leave it on there while I style the rest of the hair.
Seems like everything I do, you're used to it. And I can't hear the stories I was joking with. It's when I get high, when I'm feeling inside. So used to think I'm confident enough. Is this gonna last? You're up on a pedestal, I've been moving too fast. Feel like I'm in crazy competition with the cast.
So since I have just finished plucking this unit, I'm using a comb to comb it out, to basically take out any hair that I plucked out that might still be left in the hair. To revive my curls and bring them back to life, the first step, I'm using plain water and I'm just saturating the wig. Then to define my curls more and make sure that they last me throughout the day, I'm using the anti-jerky curling custard. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, I also got this at Sweet Penny, the shop that I mentioned that it is at Boulders. They sell all kinds of hair supplies, so whatever you may need, just go there if you are near Midrand. Yeah, basically. So I just apply it all over the hair. I love it so much, you guys, because it smells so amazing and it will leave your curls popping. Okay, so I'm just applying and scrunching my curls back up again. Like, it will leave it just works so amazing for curly hair, guys. It was designed for that after all. And that is it, you guys. That is all the customization that I do to my unit. So just plug and bleach and define your curls and the hair. Basically, that is it for today's video. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please do let me know in the comments section what more videos you'd like to see on this channel. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope that you subscribe, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy this type of content, and I will surely catch you guys next time. Bye, my loves.